Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a Ford Transit Connect with our Mini-T conversion. This campervan also comes with optional awning. On the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan. Inside you have the vinyl flooring, couch, underbed storage, limo tinted windows, front privacy curtain. Also comes with WeatherTech sunshades for the front 3 windows and WeatherTech floor mats. Ford Transit Connect gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Easy to drive, can be used as your daily vehicle, and fits in a standard 7-foot garage. Has a hitch with a 2,000-pound towing capacity, shore power plug. Also has dual house batteries that are being charged by the solar while you're driving or if you're plugged in. Everything in the conversion can be ran even if you're not plugged in, including the microwave. The couch folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. Full details can be found on our website, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!